Hey guys, so today I'm going to be filming another clothing unboxing, try on, haul, video, whatever you want to call it. Today I'm going to be doing a Pretty Little Thing haul video because I've had a lot of requests to try some clothes out from them. I was going to do this as another one of my cheapest videos that I've been doing recently. However, when I went to look at all of their cheapest stuff, I noticed that most of it wasn't in stock in my size. I feel like this video I'm gonna not be able to talk more than ever. I can just sense it, oh god. Their website in general is really affordable anyway, so I just thought, you know what, I'm just gonna order anything. It doesn't necessarily have to be the cheapest. Yeah, I just got a load of stuff that I like the look of. How cute is their bag? It's pink and it has flipping unicorns all over it. I like the bag a lot, so anyway, I'm gonna open it up and see what we've got. Okay, so the first thing is, ooh, a little sweatshirt. Oh, this looks cute. So this is the sweatshirt. It's in this really nice pinky colour, and then it's got a black and white stripe going down part of the sleeve, and then we've got a white cuff. It feels really nice. It feels like pretty good quality. It's yeah, pretty decent quality, and it's slightly, oh hello. Tags are flying. It's slightly cropped, which I quite like. Yeah, I really like this. I'm really excited to try this one on. I like this. This is such a nice little sweatshirt. It fits really nice. I love the colour. I love the little stripy bit. I like the little white cuffs. I basically like everything. I'm basically describing the whole bloody thing. I really like this. This is definitely my kind of thing, and yeah, I can see myself wearing this a hell of a lot. Okay, so I think this is a dress. So this is the dress that I went for. It's in this it's like a nudie pink colour, I'd say. And it's got a bit of a high neck. It's also got a little bit of a cheeky zip there, you know. Oh, there we go. It's got a zip sort of on the front. And then it's just a bodycon style dress in this ribbed material. Yeah, it feels really good quality again. That is a really nice, decent material. I really don't think that would be see-through at all. No. So this is what the dress looks like. It is such a nice fit. It actually fits me so well, and it's so soft. It is the nicest, softest material ever. So it's really comfortable. You could also kind of have it like that if you wanted, I guess. I mean, I don't know what looks better. It's really hard for me to see from over here. I'm really far from the camera, but I really, really like it. I think it's a really nice dress. For someone who does not wear dresses, I like this a lot. Okay, so this is a basic sort of t-shirt. It's black, and it's got these white and black stripes. Hang on. Yeah, it's got similar stripes to the sweatshirt, so it's a similar vibe to that, but this one is obviously a t-shirt. Yeah, I mean, it's just a basic black t-shirt, but I do really like this little stripy edition, and it also feels like a really nice material again. So far I'm really liking everything. This is really nice. So it's just a basic t-shirt, but as far as a basic t-shirt goes, it fits really nicely. It's really soft. It's a nice material, and yeah, I mean, I like the extra little stripy bits again, like the sweatshirt. I just think that looks really cool. Yeah, yeah, I don't know what else to say. I like it. Yeah. Okay, so this, I don't remember this. It just looks like a ball of material. I'm thinking maybe a crop top or something like that. Okay, so this is really, really tiny. Hello, that's small. That's a super crop top, so I don't know if that's gonna go. I mean, I haven't got much there to cover up, so I think we'll be all right. But yeah, it's a nice scuba-y material. It's got a little bit of sort of stretch to it, and it's in a nice nudie colour. It's also got a little zip there, which I guess help you get in and out of it. Well, hey, there we go. I'm excited to try it on if it fits me. Okay, excuse the tag. I'm just gonna leave it dangling there. But there's not much room to breathe. We're all sort of suffocating in there. Yeah, definitely size up for this. I'm pretty tiny and I can't really fit into this properly. It's just all a little bit small, but I feel like it would be really nice if it fits, because it's a nice crop top. I mean, yeah, there's not much room to breathe. This cellophane is very loud. Okay, so these are a pair of trousers, and they're in I think they call it a flannel material, but I don't know though. Paper bag trousers, because it cinches like that, and then you can tie the thingy around it. I just think they look really nice, so I wanted to try some for myself. They're kind of a skinny trouser style, so they go down that. The material feels all right. It's not exactly what I thought, but it feels all right. Like, it feels like it will be nice and cool for the summer. So yeah, I'm excited to try them on. Have I said that at the end of every single one? I'm excited to try that on. Okay, so I'm really not sure about these. I just don't know if they suit me personally, but I mean, they fit really nice. They feel like, you know, decent quality. They're not see-through. They kind of remind me of like leggings basically, with like a paper bag top thing, but you know what I mean, just the fact that they're very like skin tight and stuff like that. Yeah, I don't know, I just don't know if they suit me, but they are kind of cool. So if you are after something like this, these seem to do the job. They're comfy and they fit me really nice. So yeah, I mean, they're all right. I just don't know if I would wear them, to be honest. What are you then? Hello there. Okay, so this is a petite black PLT. I thought for a minute it said BLT. I was like, what? Got a sandwich on it. Okay, so this is just like a basic t-shirt. It's really cropped. It's got a little bit of sleevage on it and it's black, as you can see, and then it's got this like white print on it that says Pretty Little Thing, which I just think is really cute because I feel like Pretty Little Thing is such a good name for like a clothing shop. Like, it's just a really nice phrase. I really like this. I mean, it's a basic crop top, but it's like such a nice one. Do you know what I mean? It like fits really nice. It also like sits in a really nice place. Like, it's just got a nice little edge there. I mean, I don't know what I mean. It's just a really nice crop t-shirt, and I love the little print on it, or print, font, the little font, writing. I know what I mean. I like the little writing on it, and yeah. Oh, it's a little bodysuit themabob. Okay, this is cute. So it's like a bodysuit, but just like, looks like a standard t-shirt, but it goes down to like a little bodysuit thing. Whoa, that's a large thingamabob. Oh, I think it's quite like a high thing, like goes up around your legs. Oh goodness. I mean, I would just wear this underneath like some jeans and something. I would just wear this under some jeans or something. That's what I'm trying to say. I mean, it's pretty cool because I tend to like tuck my t-shirts in, but with this, you're already tucked in. Like, girl, you don't need to worry about it coming out. Yeah, well, how see-through is it? Because this is obviously like white. Doesn't look too bad actually. I think that is all right, and it is really soft as well. Like, this is a super soft material, so yeah, I really like that. So as you guys know, I love a good old bodysuit, and this one is such a nice one. I love how it's just like a super casual bodysuit, so it's just like a basic t-shirt, but it's so comfy because, like I was saying before, you don't have to worry about tucking it all in. I really like this. That's a very large hole. I mean, I know it's supposed to fit your shoulders in as well. Like, it's basically a top a bit like this, but I'm worried that's going to be way too big for me. Like, whoa. It's very cute. I went for this because I'm kind of liking the whole like off the shoulder thing at the moment. It's a white ribbed top. It's cropped. It's got like a little fancy bit along the top and a fancy bit along the bottom. It's got long sleeves, and I'm just worried this will be a little bit too big for me, but I might be wrong. Okay, so it's not as like big as I thought. Like, it actually does fit all right around here, but I mean, excuse the fact that you can see my bra through it. It's a tiny bit see-through, but I think if you had a nude bra, you'd be fine. It's just the fact that I've got a white one, so it's kind of showing through. But yeah, I mean, it is a really cute top actually. I do quite like it. Okay, so these are a pair of joggers because they have a lot of joggers on there, and some of them look so nice, and these are in this like kind of dusky pink kind of shade, and it says Pretty Little Thing down like the leg, and they look like a really nice pair of joggers actually. They've got a nice like elasticated waist, and then they go down to like a skinnier bit around the ankle. Really love the colour. Feels like a nice material, like pretty thick, decent quality. I really like them. I wear joggers quite a lot of the time around the house, so I'm always happy to welcome some more into my life. Yeah, okay. I really like these. I love that they're like really high-waisted, because I love high-waisted things, so I love when they do that with joggers because I just love a bit of high waist. And yeah, they're really comfy, they fit really nice. I love the colour. I'll definitely get a lot of wear out of these. I think they're really nice joggers. I remember this. Okay, I'm excited for this. I've gone for a leather jacket. Okay, so I ended up returning the misguided one because it was just a little bit too cropped. It was a little bit small and it just wasn't quite right, but I'm trying again because I do want a leather jacket. even though we're about to go into like summer, but now is the time apparently that I want a leather jacket. Even if I don't wear it till like autumn, whatever, it's fine. But I just really fancy one, so I really fancy her. This looks all right actually. It's a slightly different style to the Misguided one, but I think I prefer this. Yeah, I mean, it looks all right. It's obviously faux leather, but it looks like a pretty decent faux leather. I'm gonna look really cool, potentially. So this is what the leather jacket looks like. I don't know if it's a little bit too big. So like the last one was too small. I don't know if this one's a bit big. I do really like it. I think with like my darker hair as well, with like a leather jacket, I kind of look almost cool. Like I never normally look cool, but I'm almost looking cool right now. So I'll take that. Yeah, I mean, it's comfy. It fits quite nicely, I think. I really like it. And then lastly, I got a couple of earrings. So I thought I would get a little pack of gold earrings. You've got 3 different sizes. And then I've also got these earrings here. So they've got these like gold coins on the top, which I think looks so cool. And then they like come down into this like red tassel. I just thought they looked so nice. I don't have any tassel earrings and they're like proper all the rage, aren't they? So I thought it's about time I got some so that I could be cool like everyone else. But yeah, a couple of earrings. I'm really excited to try those on. I'm not gonna bother trying on the hoops because they are just standard hoop earrings. Like there's not really much to say about them, but how cute are these little tassel earrings? I thought I would try these on for you guys. They are so nice. I absolutely love them. This whole video has been filled with so many thumbs up. Like I'm pretty sure. Now I've tried everything on now. I liked most of it apart from a couple of things that didn't fit quite right. I really liked everything, so yeah, pretty damn good. Pretty little thing, pretty damn good. That's what we'll call you. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Let me know if there's any more clothing websites you want me to buy stuff from to try out for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you very, very soon. See you later. Bye.